Hey there, you gardening friends. Today we're talking March garden tips, and we're going to talk about the top 5 chores. Number 1, get your soil ready. You can see here, these are our herb containers. Those pots are nice and fresh, got some blood meal in there, some bone meal. They're good to go. If you look here, you see our main garden, that's the north garden, that had been covered in leaves. If you haven't put compost down, put it in now. We put ours down back in the fall and covered it with leaves to try to keep the weeds down. And another thing you can do, if you want, cover that soil with plastic to get those soil temperatures up. Number 2, put out your cool season crops. You can see right here we have some cabbage, some broccoli, and some collard greens. You'll also notice we have these pots sitting there on that pallet. That's so we can quickly cover those plants when it's going to freeze overnight. Keep something nearby to keep those plants covered while they're young and tender to protect them from the frost. And if you're growing potatoes, it's a good time to plant those as well. They like to be planted when it's 45 to 50 degrees in the soil. You can chit them, throw the whole potato in, whatever, it's a good time to plant your potatoes. Number 3, start seeds for the warm season. Heat mat comes in handy, grow light comes in handy. Just make sure you keep that grow light tight on the foliage or you'll get something that looks like this pitiful parsley. That was incidental. I was just trying to keep it alive, but the light was well above that parsley. And now I've created a new species of parsley. I call it long hair parsley. You don't want that in your tomatoes. Keep the light close as you're starting your seeds. Number 4, plan your companion plants. How many times have we gone to the nursery? Ooh, I want this, I want that, whether it's seeds or starts. Then you come back and you got all this stuff, you didn't have a plan. Plan your companion plants. Right here, see the onions? Those are going in with the tomatoes. I'll also add some marigolds. I will add some nasturtium, things of that nature. Do some trapping of aphids and whatnot, plus encourage the growth of the tomato plant. Plan your companion plants before you get rolling. Number 5, clean your tools, clean your pots, check out the batteries on your electric blowers and weed eaters and things of that nature. Just make sure everything's ready to go so you don't have to fool with it later when you get out to April and May. And if you're interested in planting your garden for 2022, check this out.